Welcome to Mazzum ID Management Solution for SharePoint and Office 365. This is part one of the presentation, and I want to show you the main features and the user experience and user interface when they access the Mazzum subsite, which has been created by the administrator on your Office 365 environment. We have the quick launch, which can be edited and modified with additional links defined by you. We have a dashboard which shows the total IDs, the user commands, pledged money, which comes from the ID market feature in Mazzum, and IDs which has been implemented by the company. On the main page you can scroll down and the user sees all the IDs which has been published and can start to participate by opening the ID and seeing the ID in the detail page. So we have one reply and one like for this ID. We have the description of the ID, which has been posted by the ID owner. We have the image. We have the number of likes. So I have already liked this ID. I can unlike. I can reply, add my comment to this ID. And I can as well choose other options which are behind the ellipse here, like editing the ID as I'm the owner, set notification or alert me. I can mark this ID as featured. I can delete this ID, or I can report to a moderator because this ID is maybe suspect or does not apply to policies which you are using. So as soon as you send the reason, you can report that, and the report is sent to the innovation managers, which can then review, as you can see here, the confirmation, the idea. Let me show you first how to post an ID as a user. Click on the new ID, and this is the ID form. This is a SharePoint form, and this means you can modify the form the way you need by adding in the list settings additional fields with the corresponding values, or you can just modify the values which comes with the solution. So this is a big advantage of Mazzum, that it uses the out-of-the-box SharePoint and Office 365 features in the list settings. Let's say we have a new idea, Atlas Cloud, and as soon as the user enters the body, you see that the rich ribbon with the text formatting becomes available. So everything like heading, like modifying the look and feel, the coloring is available from the ribbon. Most important probably will be that you insert or upload the document which is related to this ID. So this can be browsed and taken from your local hard disk, or you will probably enter here an image from the computer, from an address, or from a SharePoint site. Let's try to add an image from your computer. So I just select image from my computer and I upload it to the custom resource document library that I have added to my Mazzum site. The image is added. We have additional features like an option that you would like to mark this as a question and you want to get answers from other members. You can categorize. Categories are a custom list from your Mazzum site, and the values that you see here can be modified. You can use the very powerful enterprise keyword engine in Mazzum. Entering just letters will suggest you from the term store the keywords which are already available, or you can add as well just new keywords by entering any value and hitting the enter key. So next time ABC will be as well available. Location is another custom field which takes the values from the location list. The values can be changed, can be used as departments or regional or geographical boundaries or regions in your organization. By saying save, the ID is uploaded to the Mazzum site. When content approval is on, this request with this Atlas Cloud ID, which has been posted, would be first routed to an innovation manager, and the innovation manager can review the details of the ID and he can approve or reject. Now we have content approval set off. So you see that Atlas Cloud with the image with 0 replies, 0 likes has been added by the ID owner in the category Happy Customers a few seconds ago. Now the user can just open the new posted ID and he will see the detailed information to this ID. You see the rich text heading that we have added. You see the description, you see the image, and we have here the option to like, to unlike, or vote, unvote, to reply by entering your command. All the commands are added with all the details. The commands can be filtered by oldest, newest, and most liked. And under the ellipse, you see additionally here that you can edit as the owner of the ID. You can set notification services if anything changes to this ID. Notifications will be sent to the owner of the ID automatically if any command has been added. The owner can mark, or the innovation manager can mark this ID as featured, so it's highlighted and more focused. As the owner, you can delete or you can report to a moderator. This text is reported and sent to one of the innovation managers. You see here, thank you, administrator will soon look into your report and can decide if they want to dismiss the report or delete the ID because it's not it's against your policies or other rules which are impacted by this idea. Back to the Mazzum homepage, you will see that now this ID has 1 reply and 0 likes at any time. You can open that and go forward with the innovation process. You see here as well a very rich filtering and sorting by what is hot, by my IDs that I have posted, as well here additional views which can be further customized by your innovation managers and your moderators. Let's recap. The ID management solution Mazzum is deployed on Office 365 and SharePoint with a couple of mouse clicks. As soon as the site is created, you can share your site by inviting the people with the out-of-the-box security and permission settings in your Office 365 environment. And people can access, can have a quick look about what's going on in the ID management process in your company. And they can start to post immediately new IDs or just check for the existing IDs, open the IDs, reply to IDs. They can like, unlike, they can reply, and they have additional features related to each ID.